Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to set up new Cpplus DVR. Okay, let's start the video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. You see on screen, first you select region. My region is India. Type here India. Okay, enter. In language English, click on next. There is a time zone. My UTC time zone is 5:30. Okay, system time. Now system current time is 20:27, 8:27 p.m. Okay, date is correct. No need to change. Okay, change here time 20:27. Okay, click on next. Create here DVR password. Type here admin@123. Okay, enter. Type here confirm password. Click on next. Create here pattern. Okay, pattern is created. I am disable here security question. I am only type here email address. Okay, click on OK. Okay, remove this check mark to start up. Okay, click on next. Click on next. You see, check here DVR settings, date, time, UTC, everything. Okay, I am change here 24 hours to 12 hours. Okay, click on next. There is an option to change IP address. This IP address is static. Okay, click on next. This one is install on cloud scan QR. Click on insta code. Select here all. To apply all camera, click on next. This is snapshot schedule. No need to change. Click on next. This is a recording mode regular. Click on next. Channel 1 also regular. Okay, click on OK. DVR setup is complete. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.